Hey?
Yeah.
Who's that?
All right, we are here at the cove.
Oh, that's the female.
We got a lot of stuff going on. Here's a male cardinal, and he just left. Oh, field sparrow. All right, guys, I'm sure we'll be getting more videos today. These guys here are tree swallows.
There's a really pretty blue one on top.
Yeah. They're guarding their nest because I guess other ones are trying to come in.
It's a new nest too.
Yeah. New box.
So they're a little excited about that.
Yeah. They're pretty. Okay. Bye. Hey. What you doing? One of our babies came up to us. He's like, do you have any food? We don't have any food, baby.
Look at me.
But thank you. Pinky. Hi, baby.
You're cute.
Hi, little one. What you doing?
You're so cute.
Thanks for coming over and saying hi.
Yeah, she's only a couple feet from you.
Baby. Okay, bye.
You can put yellow rumps on.